On the waka again, I say more waka again, all our office other places we just branch again. Then they go outside now. See my baby now. JC like flexing. He just like flexing. He no dey even cry, nothing. See am, he just dey concentrate where would they go, how far, where we wan enter again now. So he just dey concentrate on that. They think about anything again now. Where we want they will have going, we will see fine thing again. Now think they concentrate about. Okay, now we don't enter the hotel again. Now from the hotel we go take comot. I said you can't get one place with the children they play, we enter. See my daughter on top bike with the day within about the drive. Now she dey cry. See my son. This guy to know better. I said let me self go drive bike now. See me. First time, I never climb bike. This is another first time. I said, let me try. My husband calls me, say, you know, you just have to try bike. And this, that, why you want to go enter bike? I said, oh, yeah, now. Things say, person say the first try, and they win. Things say, everybody will lose. Oh, yeah. Wash me. Wash me now. Just wash me. Because see me. See me now. I don't ride them on. Things say, play. See me. But me go follow. I no go show that place. Oh God, see the place is giving. See the bread. So nice. The place is so beautiful. Ibom Hotel and Golf Resort. Thank you guys for watching.